Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's doggy day in the house and we've got some doggy toys. I got this whole big pack of them, so we're gonna give it a try and look and see what each of these things are inside of this bag and see if I can even fit them back in here when I am done, which there's no way in the world. Okay, so let's check this out and see what's in here. I'm gonna just empty everything out and show you one by one as I go through these, and we'll see what everything is. So it looks like first we have this like silicone ball, and it looks like it's got little teeth in it, so like that. You could probably put like peanut butter or something like that in there, and it'll keep your dog busy for a very long time. So that's kind of nice, and it's pretty solid and heavy duty. So that is very nice little ball. Then we have a banana, and we can open this up, and there's the banana. And so it's got that nice sound there, and it's squeaky too, so very cool. So we got a banana. What do we got here? We have some sort of bone thingy. It's got a squeaky in it too. My dog is down here going crazy, wanting all these toys, but we're gonna show you guys them first. And then we have a nice little star, which also squeaks. We have, oh, look at this. It's like a little, I don't know, it's almost like a vulture without hands. Well, I guess it doesn't have wings, but look at that. And it's got different sensitivities, I guess, on here, but it's very squishy. Oh, is there a squeaky? No squeaky in this one. So there's that. Haha, not a chance of me fitting these back in here again. There's a rope with a little handle on it so I could play tug of war with my doggy. Dog not really into that too much, but then here's another rope without a ball on the end of it. And a carrot, because what dog doesn't like carrots? I don't know, but it looks like it's nice and nice rope thing for them to tug on and bite on. So that's very cool. So these are all the things it comes with, and it is a set with all the different toys. It says Puppy Toys. Can't remember the brand, but I'll let you guys know. I'll link it in here so you'll know. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link will be in the description. And thumbs up for me. Thanks, bye.